Hey guys, thank you for joining me. In today's video we're gonna build our stash. We're gonna make these cute paper clips, banner clips with the little dangle here. So here are the ones I made already. And I'm using Sunny Days collection from Maggie Holmes. I love the colors. I love the blue and the pink. This is what we're gonna be making. So what you're gonna need to create these paper clips are some scraps of paper that measure 1 5/8 by 3.5 inch. Some paper clips. These are 2 inches paper clips, so they are a little bit thinner than the paper clip, so they fit here. You're gonna need some tassels and charms. You're gonna need some sequins, this waxed thread, and some ribbon. Okay, so let's start right on it. Let me just put these aside. There we go. And we're gonna start with the 2 pieces of paper. So I will go with the pink and blue. I love how the combo is turning out. So I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna make the tail. So I'm gonna use my banner punch board, but you can definitely just cut the tail with scissors. There you go. Now we're gonna glue the pieces together. So for that I'm gonna use wet glue. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna avoid this part because it's gonna hang a little bit outside. There you go. I'm just giving a little bit of overlap, not that much. There we go. And I want my my paper clip to be like 2.5 inches here. So I'm gonna score it. Let me just grab my scoreboard. And since it's this side that I want to be straight, I'm just gonna flip it over, align the tail with the part here, and I'm just gonna score at 2.5. There we go. I'm not gonna fold it and give it a crease just yet because I want first to decorate, but you can see here is your limit. Okay, so now we're gonna create the tassel. So this one, I'm gonna use the pink and the blue, and I'm gonna just grab a ring, a small ring. You can find this in AliExpress. I will link everything in the description box. Everything that I use I will link in the description box. So I'm just gonna grab, I don't have any jewelry tools, so I just found this on my husband's toolbox. It's just to open it, slide everything in. And press it back. And we're done. There we go. So this is done. Then I'm gonna make my my tab. Okay, so I'm using the stickers from the collection. You have the tab, you have the small icons and the words. So because this is clear sticker and I want it to be sturdy, you know, like this, I'm gonna stick it on a white piece of cardstock. So I'm gonna go with the blue. Okay, come on. Okay, just like so. Then I'm gonna use the small pink car. And I'm gonna go with Sunny and Bright. There we go. I'm just gonna cut around the tab. So it's hanging a little bit. Just gonna put it straight so it doesn't get cut with the scissors. There you go. So that's done. I'm gonna put some ribbon underneath here. So I got it on AliExpress as well. And I'm gonna put it, yes, it's gonna go there. So I'm just gonna cut a small piece. There we go. Okay, so I have my score line here. So I put this just below the score line. Then I'm gonna add some foam tape to the back of this. It's quite thick because I like it to be dimensional. So I'm just gonna put a piece of this tape right here. So this will go here. And I'm gonna grab my waxed twine. I'm just gonna create 3 loops like that, and this one will go to the back of my sticker. So I'm gonna use the stickers from the collection or the chipboard. I'm gonna go with this one. It's perfect. There we go. So I'm just gonna stick it to the back to create like some scribbling. There we go. And this one will go here. Okay, so I'm just gonna add, I'm gonna start with this one. I will align this here. And I'm just gonna add a small dot of glue to the back. Just to make sure it's perfectly secure. There we go, and I'm gonna do the same for the cardstock sticker. So the same, I'm just gonna add a dot of glue. There we go. Now I'm just gonna fold my paper clip, give it a crease. I should have done that before actually, that step. There we go. And now last step, we're gonna add some sequins. So you wanna have some glue dots, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick my sequins. I think I will go with the pink. Yes, we're gonna go with the pink. So I just put my sequin on top of the glue dot, and there we go. It's already stuck here. So I'm just gonna add a few here and there. Maybe a mint one as well. Here. And we're almost done. You can add as many as you want, of course. So now I'm gonna add my dangle. I'm just gonna slide it here. And when you put your clip, you want to make sure you put it on the side that is not open, not this one. You want to put it in the side where it's completely straight. Oh, here we are. And now I'm gonna add some hot glue to the back. And last step, this one is optional, but I like to do my paper clips like that. I'm just gonna add a piece of washi tape to the back. This one is not. So I'm just gonna add a piece of washi tape to the back because it's to gift. So I like it to be nice on the back as well. And you still have some room, you know, to write a little note or something, you know, if it's for a friend and they will use them in their planner. It's nice to have a little note. And we're done. Here we go. All done with the tassels and the charms. And I will link everything in the description box, and I will also have a video on a haul I made on AliExpress, and I will show you all the colors I got for these and some other fun crafty stuff I got. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.